Let's color the apples. An apple is a round, edible fruit produced by an apple tree, Meles domestica. Apple trees are cultivated worldwide and are the most widely grown species in the genus Meles. The tree originated in Central Asia, where its wild ancestor, Meles sieversii, is still found. Apples have been grown for thousands of years in Asia and Europe and were introduced to North America by European colonists. Apples have religious and mythological significance in many cultures, including Norse, Greek, and European Christian tradition.